Welcome back, viewers, to another absolute glorious day. As you can see from the title, are motorcycles dangerous? Well, simple answer, no. Thank you for watching, see you again. So let's actually elaborate why people think motorcycles are dangerous. I've always had people say, oh, motorcycles are dangerous, motorcycles are dangerous. I said, why do you think they're dangerous? I said, oh, just because they are. I thought, well, it's not really a good enough answer. I mean, what I just say to them is it's not the motorcycle itself that's dangerous. It can be the rider, and it could be everyone else. It could be any car driver. Starting off with the main one is, I see it a lot of times when I'm driving, because I do drive as well, is that sport bike riders do come flying past you at 80, 90 miles an hour, and you're thinking, why? I mean, if you're going to ride that fast, at least take it at track. And I'm not disrespecting sports bike riders, because, you know, I love playing sport bike games, and then one day I would actually like to get a track bike, so I could actually do a bit of track racing. I mean, that would actually be quite cool actually. Probably like a 1000cc GXR or something, but generally I wouldn't do it on road because there are so much more dangers. As I say, it's not always the car driver. You know, some motorcycles, they do ride really fast, and it's not just the fastness, you know. So in conclusion, no, they're not really dangerous. It's down to your own care and known liability. You know, if you can drive 100 miles an hour, then yeah, you make yourself dangerous in that spell. I mean, motorcycles do creep up on you out of nowhere. Suddenly, they're there. You know, you're driving along and boom, you're right there thinking, shit, like, where did that come from? You know, it's just the way it is. Anyway, that's just a short little clip of what my views on are motorcycles dangerous. Well, no, as I said, it's always down to the rider. You know, you're going to ride it respectfully, you're going to treat the road respectfully, you're going to be fine. It's just trying to introduce more people into motorcycles to show them that they're not dangerous and you can have so much fun on them. I mean, for my thing, it's like motorcycles are so much fun for me. You can get out on the bike, you can enjoy the roads, you can ride it. Just, you know, you can see so many different parts of the world just by motorcycle. I mean, you can do it the same with a car, but I just feel like there's so much more freedom riding on a motorbike. You're not strapped down to anything. You're loose. You know, I'll still wear all my proper gear, as you can see. But I think that's what it is. You know, the key to life is enjoying it, even though it's got nothing to do with the title. But riding in general is what makes me keep going. If you like that, like, subscribe, put a bell notification on. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.